Rafa. شكرا الحمد لله. गुड मॉर्निंग का बना लो हाका नूडल्स ना और ग्रेवी. हाका नूडल्स में चिकन है तो कुछ साइड पे ग्रेवी कर दो चलेगा. सिर्फ थोड़ा गीले के लिए ना तो बहुत सूखा हो गया. मामू बा खालिद मामू we love you. We miss you मामू.
Mama, see. See.
Abba. Mama. Mama, fine, mommy. It's okay. We'll wait.
No, Masi. No, Mami.
मासी नहीं मामी. मासी तो सोया है ना. Okay, you want to stand down? You stand down and talk to Mamu like this. Is that better for you? Baby, you go, you run away, then you come back. Okay. Yalla. Mamu, we miss you, Mamu. Alhamdulillah. Bigger than Christmas?
It's me. He knew it was a dud. Settling on him again. Yeah. If you are a bit light, said Harry, trying to take Ron's mind off houses. So once he'd finished school.
Good morning.
Hello. Good morning. It's not morning, it's afternoon. I slept in a bit today. It's Saturday morning. I don't have work today, so I'm at home all day. But we have something exciting planned today. Anam and I. Baby's fast asleep in the other room. My beautiful wife is here. I don't know what she's up to. She's sharpening her claws. And then let's see how this day goes. See you in a bit.
It's 1:45. Father and son are playing. I can finally go and brush my teeth so I can eat the first meal of the day. If you've been following me in my vlogs for a while, you know that the second I brush my teeth, I get super hungry. And because I'm on intermittent fasting, today is the 8th, no, today is the 7th of Feb, so I'm on day 7. And I'm gonna brush now because I'm about to straight away have lunch. I just did a thing. I ordered for the seafood boil. If you watched my vlog, couple of vlogs ago, I guess, when I went with Khalid and all my fam from California, we went and had that seafood boil from Via Bombay. I've just done. I just called the manager and I was like, because like I go there often enough that I have the manager's number and usually like, can you keep a table ready and this and that. And he always tells me, madam, मैं Bandra से आते हो, don't worry, home delivery में भी काफी अच्छा रहेगा. So I placed the order and I've booked a WeFast for a pickup. I'm salivating. And I am about to have that for a very late lunch. Let me just give you the game plan for the day. It's 1:45. Sitting to eat lunch like in like 5-10 minutes. So let's say I start eating by 1. I can keep eating till 9. I need to do my glam. I need to step out because I have to get a few snippets for a video that I'm posting for a client. And I also really want to go do that make that exciting purchase that I think Jerry just mentioned, which is about the new Ray-Ban Metas. I'm so envious of everyone that got it in PR. I'm about to go buy myself those because I feel like it'll really help me capture especially snippets of Raphael more than anything. And even if I don't post from it, just for me to have those kind of clips in posterity, because like sometimes I'm just looking at him and I'm like, this is such a cute core memory of mine and I would love to be able to capture it, and which is why I'm doing it. After that, we have a baby birthday to go to at around 5 in the evening. So I need to get the baby's birthday present gift wrapped. And I have to check whether Jerry's coming with us because today is his rare day off on a Saturday, or whether he's going for a massage because he was in two minds. I told him that he should just go for the massage because honestly he doesn't get the time otherwise. But somewhere in the middle of this I need to have my seafood boil. I'm gonna be in a white shirt, so I'm gonna have to come back home and change it. I need to be in the white shirt for that video thing. Okay, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm starting off with a mini lunch. Mini to keep place. For the real deal. The real deal.
Hello, sir. Little Lord is awake, as you can clearly see, and wants something from there. Yeah, of course. Oi, no putting it in your mouth. Mama said no. Mama said no. You wanna have some eggy? Please. Negotiations are on to feed the little lord. He just woke up from a nice long nap. No, 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 no. Eggy. You can have this. There's a chief chaos officer. My stunner of a wife is going to have homemade Hakka noodles. Some pepper sauce to go with it. Whereas I am going to have some biryani from this place called Nizam's. Thanks to Adnan, who you all know is my wife's elder brother.
So Bhai found this place in South Bombay that does biryani exactly the way Jerry likes his biryani, and so his late night binge has turned into Jerry's lunch.
Yes. What do we have here? What do we have here? There's a camera, no? As soon as you see the camera pointing at you, you'll go calm and quiet. You know when the camera is on you. Why don't I have you for lunch today?
Now you sound like Rayan and Sana. I know
I'll
myself.
put you in a bowl and then gobble you up. Oh, he gave me a kissy again without asking for it. Yes, you did. I didn't ask for it. Yes, you did. Stop saying no. Yeah. See, yes. Yes. Okay. Enough saying yes.
Are you
I
working
don't
on
know.
Valentine's Day? There's a lunch invite that I will potentially say yes to based on your availability. Or we can do dinner on Valentine's Day over there.
What is Valentine's Day?
Saturday, next Saturday. It's
Well,
good to know that you're so aware.
I'll be working.
So Saturday dinner then?
Sure. You're not invited. Yes, you're not invited. Attempt number 23 to read a book for him. This is Batman's graphic novel, The Dark Knight Returns, one of the best, by Frank Miller. You know who Frank Miller is? No, you don't. You know nothing, Jon Snow.
Why are you reading those books to him? Read his books to him that have cartoons in them.
This
No wonder
has
you're not
cartoons.
able to get into it.
Look at this is Batman
Jerry,
and the lightning. Okay. And then what we see? We go like,
these books have sensory.
I've
check
got
my-
the home stretch all to myself. When the reading stops, makes sense. I'm Batman. Okay, fine. His mother says, no Batman.
His books have that sensory touch feel, different materials, some of them make sounds.
Batman also makes sounds.
No wonder he's not reading with you.
Batman also makes sounds. He needs to be
If
trained.
he's sitting with me, why is he not sitting with you?
Training starts early.
Jerry,
I want to train him to be Batman. So we are back with an age-appropriate and mummy-approved book. Even though I think he needs to be trained at a very early age to become Batman one day. But let's see. This book is called Where's Spot? Where's Spot? If you had been Batman, you would have been able to find out where's Spot. Savvy and Spot.
going down to be reunited with my car, but we have a problem. We've used up all the parking spots of ours between both the flats in the building, so we park outside on the road. It's kind of like a fixed spot because obviously nobody else comes there, but at the same time this entire road is currently dug, so it's a little bit of a mystery and a little bit of a Jenga on how to make all the cars sit. We gotta figure this out, and I'm excited to see my car. It's here. Guys, it is here. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna like attack this portion. And there's rice and masala and all of the amazing seafood, guys. I'm salivating. I'm just gonna go eat, okay? Let me just eat. Talk soon. Mom and Dad are about to go do the most exciting thing of today. At least for me. I don't know. Are you also as excited?
Yes.
We're about to go buy my Meta Ray-Ban. Well, hopefully chashmas and not sunglasses because I want the non-tinted ones. But we first need to give the gifts to get gift wrapped at the guy next door. And then we have 3 opticians to choose from. So let's see where we'll end up going. क्या है पेपर में क्या है?
पैक बहुत अच्छा होएगा।
इसमें पिंक चलेगा लेकिन आप बोल रहे हो पेपर में भी है ना?
पेपर में भी है, लेकिन प्लास्टिक्स में अच्छा पैकिंग होता है।
ये ज़्यादा क्यूट लग रहा है ना पेपर वाला। हाँ लड़की के लिए है।
डॉटेड है।
हाँ ये डॉटेड वाला कर लो ना।
ठीक।
दोनों को साथ में ही कर लो।
हाँ। डॉट वाला निकल।
ये ऊपर साथ में ऊपर डाल देना। हाँ हाँ चलेगा। डॉटेड वाला चलेगा। और ये ऊपर कर देना। दोनों को एक ही में डाल के। मैं आती हूँ थोड़ी देर में ले लेती हूँ। थैंक यू।
90।
Because he bites into these balls. Rumaisa also has it because he bites it. Sponge मुंह में आता है उसका. So we can't take for him. Thank you. मैं आती हूँ थोड़ी देर में. हाँ बैटरी का % भी बता रहा है. आपको भी सुनाई दे रहा है कि सिर्फ मेरे को?
आपको ही दिखेगा।
It's so soft, but I can hear it so loudly.
वो मैम क्यों लाउड होगा क्योंकि आपका कैमरा यहाँ पे है, सॉरी स्पीकर यहाँ पे, सॉरी स्पीकर यहाँ पे।
आपके पास वेफेरो में ये कलर नहीं है जेन 2 में?
जेन 2 में मैट ब्लैक अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है, आपको चाहिए तो मंगा के मिल जाएगा।
कब तक मिलेगा?
परसों मिल जाएगा।
और ये कौन सा वाला है?
ये स्काइलर।
और क्या प्राइस है दोनों की?
स्काइलर में आपको चाहिए तो शाइनी ब्लैक अवेलेबल है।
ये जो अभी आपने पहना ना,
नहीं ये तो शेप ही मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है। No, it's not a nice shape for me.
Yeah, I prefer this.
No, I look. No, it's not giving geek chic. Just Wayfarers, classic Wayfarers are a safer bet. I don't love this. लेकिन आप मेरे को मंगा के दे सके। इसमें टोटल कितने कलर्स आते हैं जेन 2 में?
जेन 2 में ब्लू, ब्लैक।
ब्लू आपके पास है?
ब्लू है भी अवेलेबिलिटी है मेरे पास। फिर एक ब्लैक, 2 ही कलर आता है।
ये वाला ब्लैक,
ये वाला
मैट ब्लैक।
ये लेंस कौन सा है? ये क्लियर है।
ट्रांजिशन
आपके पास क्लियर भी है?
क्लियर है पर वो मुझे मंगाना पड़ेगा मैम, क्योंकि अभी
आपको तो सभी मंगाना पड़ेगा ना?
क्योंकि मैम अभी तक सेकंड जनरेशन का बहुत कम इंडिया में भी आया है, बहुत कम आ रहा है। थर्ड का चालू है ना, इसके लिए लोग सेकंड अप्रूवल कम किए।
Oh, I've left the house with a clip.
थर्ड सर अभी आएगा, बहुत टाइम उसको नहीं लगेगा, अराउंड मई जून तक आएगा वो भी।
अच्छा थर्ड इसी साल आ रहा है?
आ तो इसी साल बोल रहे हैं, अभी अप्रूवल हुआ नहीं, गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू अप्रूवल हुआ नहीं उसके लिए।
Why am I buying 2 if there's third gen coming then?
पर मैं वो गवर्नमेंट अप्रूवल होगा तो ही आएगा।
वो तो
वो बैंड वाला है, तो आप बैंड यहाँ पहनो।
तो ये किससे लिंक्ड है?
या फिर मोबाइल से।
This is mobile.
एंड मुझे दिखेगा कि क्या रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है? नॉट फ्रॉम हियर, स्ट्रेट ऑन मोबाइल। और ये 4K में रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है?
2K.
नो
नो
4K।
सेकंड जनरेशन 4K।
Second generation 4K.
एंड क्या एस्पेक्ट रेशियो में?
इसमें सेकंड जनरेशन में और एक नया शेप आया है, इस इन हेडलर, जो ऊपर आपका वेफर स्टाइल है और नीचे थोड़ा कर्विश है।
Can't hear you.
Can you see what I'm wearing? The chashma.
1 sec, I can't hear you.
You see this chashma?
Why I can't hear you?
Chashma.
One.
Chashma.
One.
Yeah,
Do you like the shape?
yeah, it's nice, but black.
I mean, the other option is blue. हाँ कर दो। हाँ सोने दो। Jerry, I like this one. What do you think?
No, ma'am, this will not become tight or loose
Of
because
course.
totally mechanism is there. So I suggest to go with the 50.
You have इसमें transition वाला ताकि मैं clear to clear में compare कर सकूँ।
ना वो अलग है लेकिन exact size वो आएगा। ये जैसे size
ये मुझे I didn't try these over there 100% because even the feel
ये
that
frame है, no, that's a different type only. The size I'm showing you 50 ऐसा लगेगा। ये 53 है, hardly 3 mm का difference है, ज़्यादा नहीं। अगर आपका 10 मिनट है तो मैं 50 का भी डायमंड बना के दिखा देता हूँ आपको।
हाँ चलेगा
चलेगा।
because मेरे को सही वाला लेना है। देखो ना,
हार के
ये
स्टोर
क्या
से
लग
50
रहा
का
है
डमी
आपको?
लेना।
Aggressive also it will look very good.
Where the other one in show? I like these, I like those more. But show go. I like both actually. नहीं, but वो ज़्यादा classy है. Because that other shape was different. So that's why I was getting confused all this time. I do prefer the big ones, to be fair, but What he's saying makes sense. He's saying कि lose हो जाएगा तो tight नहीं हो पाएगा.
Please don't put it on top, okay?
No, I never do that. Hair also gets spoiled.
Hair तो ठीक है लेकिन वो चश्मा आपका खराब हो जाएगा. It's a good investment.
You're sure I should do 50 ना, not 53 because look में मेरे को 53 ज़्यादा पसंद है बड़े
नहीं,
frames.
50.
53, you know, at some point of time, because of the Indian climatic conditions, they will loosen.
They are loose a little bit. I can feel the loose.
People say you're wearing a husband's glasses.
Okay, 50.
Because there is a scanner is there.
वो ऐप वैप करना पड़ेगा.
So you will do it at home.
Matte black. I hope I'm
Yes,
opening
yes,
the
matte black.
right one. Oh, I love the color. I need to keep this or no?
You should keep this because there is a salvage and authentication cards are there.
Is it recording? Yeah, it is. Wow. Great job. Don't go there, okay? Stay this side. Good job. Come. Thank you. Come, you want Mama the chashma, I know. Wow, who's breakfast? Who likes his eggies? Where is Rafa? He's coming back. No, we were eating Mama. We were eating Kaka. Rafa, we are eating Kaka, na? Jerry, Baba, he's taking you. He needs to come with you.
I can't take him.
Where is Rafa? Where is Rafa? Where? Thoda le lo Jan. I am not going to my mum-in-law's house because I actually have an urgent brand shoot thing to finish and send out to the client today itself. Packing Rafa's bag though, a spare t-shirt is always a must. Socks यहाँ पे क्यों रखे? ये तो पहन के जाएगा ना बालों वाला जूते. Napkin. I made strawberry oats for him, which sir has eaten barely 3-4 bites of. So I'm putting that in. Although my mother-in-law makes fantastic food and she will make food for him, I know. His favorite Slurp Farm. They're called something puffs. They basically melt in the mouth. It's easy. It's like we call it baby ka kurkure, to be honest, in the house. And you get them in like strawberry, carrot. What he has going on right now is mango flavor. So you get like assorted packs. In fact, the person who introduced this to me was a subscriber called Richa. If you've seen Raphael's birthday gifts unboxing, I had seen these but I hadn't tried them. But she sent them over for his birthday gift, one of the things. And that was properly his first introduction to it. A Kela, to be on the safe side. Iska mama in our household is water and Kaka is food. And he's a little cranky because he's getting his teeth. He's got 8 teeth. I guess he's on rounds 9, 10, 11, 12 now. So he's a little bit not in the best spirits. इसमें 3-4 toys भी डालेंगे. वहाँ पे कोई toys नहीं है पारुल खाना. I'm going to put some balls and eggs. He has these toy eggs. I'm going to put a bunch of those in as well. So he has a nice bag going. We don't need to put diapers in this because now he will change his diaper directly at about 5 p.m. and he'll be back by then, so it's chill. Hi, I just finished filming the video that I needed to do with the brand. I'm obsessed with what the quality of this is looking like on my phone, at least as of right now. I hope you guys are enjoying it in the vlog. Let me know. Comment down below. I like this very geek chic shape going on, and I'm actually really glad Jerry made me buy the transition glasses and not like just the clear ones. These are a present from Jerry, by the way, in case I haven't mentioned that.
I wanted to buy them for so long, and he was like, listen, let me get them for you. And it's so sweet for him to do that. I have to finish editing the video that I just shot and send it to the client today itself because it needs to go live tomorrow. Baby and Jerry, like I said, are still at my mom and dad-in-law's. So that gives me some time to make sure I finish everything. I also really want to sit and clean the kitchen before they come in, because in the evening when Jerry gets his time off, I'm going to take Rafa to the park. It's not Mama's day off at all by any stretch of imagination. But I'm just trying to make the most of my time because I'm someone by nature that feels guilty really quickly on spare time. So I guess between housework and baby and trying to be productive, something or the other is always going on. This is the same dress, by the way, if you remember, that I wore on my anniversary a few vlogs ago. I'm a little behind on vlog edits as well. So if you come back a little bit later and the kitchen work is done by then, I feel like I'm going to try and do that. There's intense bathroom cleaning going on over there because we have a temp right now. Janki Didi's in the village. She will be staying with us even after Janki Didi comes back because of a few other maid logistics things, which I'll get into another time. But for now, I need to take the laptop and I need to get to work. Hi, Peaky. नर्स लग रही हूँ मैं. तुम दिख रहे हो मेरी वीडियो में क्योंकि चश्मे में कैमरा मैंने तुमको जो फोन पे दिखाई ना. Yo, it's Monday and I'm so excited for what I'm headed to do. I am headed finally to get my hair Botox done. What is hair Botox? What does it mean? I'm going to tell you, but I really need to get going because my appointment is in the next half an hour and I want to get there about 10-15 minutes early. It's super close by to where I am, but I want to leave super early, and that's also why my hair looks like absolute dip shit right now, because it's going to get done at the salon anyway. I'm much excited. The baby is asleep. It is the perfect time for me to get out of the house so he doesn't see me and doesn't start crying. Hair Botox is basically like rebonding your hair in a way that it takes out all of the frizz and they reshape your hair for your hair to look straight. Now my bhabhi gets this done regularly and she says it stays for about a year, but the hairstylist told me that this would last for about 35 washes. Check with your own hairstylist if you decide to get this. Apparently you also have it available in a whole bunch of brands. I'm really happy with this about 1 week in, because the minute you wash it even, it just reshapes back to this completely styled set of hair. It's helping me so much with the frizzy issue that I've had, and it's just no fuss whatsoever. Completely eliminates the process of fussing over hair basically. And yes, you can still style your hair.
Hi, hello, I'm back home. So I debated whether I should go to the park and meet my son and Bhabhi, because she took him to the park. We all go to similar parks and gardens in the evenings, and since I was running so late, I was running way late. During taking the appointment, they told me this would take 3 hours. This has taken me from 1:30 to like now 7. So it's taken me 5.5 hours, not 3 hours. And so I had a play date lined up for him this evening, which got missed. I had to apologize my way out of it and put a rain check in for later this week, hopefully. And so I debated whether I should go meet them at the garden, meet them at the park, or whether I should come home. Then I realized I only have like 2 hours left on my intermittent fasting window, and since he's having fun, I would come home, make myself a quick bite because I do want to eat something. I haven't really eaten a lot all day except for those fries. TMI, my stomach's been upset. So I've been trying to figure out what is happening. I had ordered these cheesy, ready-to-eat-ish type of noodles. I don't know where they've kept it. I need to locate it, make myself something. I'm really hungry. This is what I ordered. It's called You Pasta. I literally have not heard about it, but I was happy to see that it said 0 added sugar, which is why I went ahead and added it on. For context, not only am I on today's 8th of Feb, no, today's 9th of Feb, so I'm on day 9 of intermittent fasting. I'm on day 9 of absolutely no sugar, except for I did have 2 sips of chai like 3 or 4 days ago when I forgot. That same day I forgot I was on no sugar and I forgot I was on intermittent fasting, and like an idiot I ended up going and eating a piece of chip after my eating window had closed. But I'm not going to count that because मेरी नीयत नहीं थी खराब करने की, वो गलती से हो गया. So I'm basically on day 9. What do I need to do? by the time I actually get out of BKC and come back to Bandra, I'm going to see 3:30.
I can't believe I'm actually getting some TV time before 8:30 p.m. before Raphael's going to sleep. Nobody's in the house. Parukala and the temp girl who I told you we have, her name is Valencia. They've both gone with Rafa and my bhabhi to the garden, and I get to eat my cheesy pasta and watch some Your Friends and Neighbors. It's super interesting. I'm on episode 4. Highly recommend if you're into realistic but slightly dark, super high production content, because like Apple TV quality is next level. Okay, bye.